Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was helping somebody with rectangles and changing the size with align object or adjust objects in remain position. But he's thrown a wrench in here because it won't do it with these rectangles at an angle. So we're going to Control G to group them, and we're going to rotate it 60 degrees, 90 degrees. He needs to change these sizes. So now we're going to ungroup it. And you could do this without this, you could just change this and type in this. So this is 4.3. Well, see, one of them's even 12.46. But he wants them, this is 3 millimeters, that's 299.99, and that one's 3. So you could select all these and open this font, or open this deal, and I've already done it, 12.46, 12.436, and 3.04 from the center. And now it doesn't look like they've changed, but look, now they're 3.04, 3.04, 3.04. Now, bad thing is you have to group it together. And it's kind of, we need to rotate it 60 degrees. And get these. So you're going to have to ungroup it, which isn't bad. Control U, control. And if you look, this is, so we're going to make it, this is 299.8, 299.6, and that one's 3. So select all these. We're going to keep the width the same, but we're going to change that from the center. And now if we look, we're all at 3.04. So you've got to group it. Rotate it another 60 degrees, ungroup it. And that's what I was saying. You could almost just take this and type in those numbers, but you'd have to type in the numbers. Where this you don't, because they're already there. And we'll test them. It's 3.04. Group it together again. Rotate it 60 degrees. Ungroup it. Grab these from the center, 3.04, just one more, Control G, rotate it another 60 degrees, ungroup it, which is Control U, and you don't have to take that much time. But if we just look, this one is 2.99 to 3. So we need them 3.04. He's evidently making a box. He wants it tighter. Now, if we look, it's 3.04, 3.04, 3.04. And we're back to the start, and we'll group it together, and we're done. I made, for the one I'm doing it for, I made them red and black instead of green so I could tell the difference, or at least people could see it. But you're going to want to turn them all into red and make sure they're a hairline to cut it out. And there you go. Now, one other way you can kind of do something is take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in with black, and left click, right click, and they're all a hairline. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.